Good morning. My name is Darren Crannis. I'm the Managing Director of CTS Electrical Services, and this is just a short message from us all here at CTS Electrical. Just to let you know that our company is now in furlough, so all our employees are staying safe at home. So we've cancelled all our works programme. It's important that all our employees and the whole nation stay safe by staying at home, and we really cannot reiterate that. Please stay at home, help you and your family, and help others. Don't leave your home, and please also, tradespeople are normal people in society. We have families too, so this is a plea from me to you. Please do not do DIY at home. Okay, calling a tradesperson out because you've made a mistake puts you, them, and their families, the wholesale chain, suppliers, and other people at considerable risk. So please stay away from DIY. If something worked yesterday, it's going to work tomorrow. Okay? Staying at home is the biggest thing we can do for all our friends and families. If there are genuine call outs, we can be contacted, but please be assured that most of this would probably take care over a video call. Please don't expect us to risk our lives, our families' lives, by coming out. Uh, this is a trying time for the whole nation, and the message is really clear. Please stay in your homes. Stay safe, stay well, and we will see you to resume our service as normal once the pandemic is over. Stay safe.